Assalamu alaikum to class. Hope you will be fine, beta. Today we will do on book page number 51, listening, speaking and composition. Okay, the first task is, as you see, listening. So firstly you will listen what your teacher is saying to you. Listen to the telephone call to go Wild Safari Park and complete the information box. The task is this: there are the two people who talk to each other on a call to go Wild Safari Park. So listen carefully, and after listening you will complete this task. Okay, now I am going to start reading this. Hi, you are through the Go Wild Safari Park. We look forward to welcoming you to our award-winning park. You will see lions, tigers, giraffes, zebras and crocodiles, all roaming free in our vast park. You can find us just on the edge of the city at 117 Main Road. What is the address? As you see, they have write down the entrance, 117 Main Road. This is the entrance place. Okay. The ticket price is only 200 rupees for each adult. Means the elder person's ticket is of 200 rupees. We are open from 9 in the morning to sunset, Tuesday to Saturday. If you have small children, our train can take you right round the park. It leaves every half hour. We can find the snack bar behind the entrance, so you don't even need to bring a picnic. We are looking forward to seeing you soon. Thank you and goodbye. Okay, so this is the listening. After listening, you will revise. You pause this video and again play this video and listen carefully that what is the given information. As you see, adult ticket price, I have told you, it is of just rupees 200. You will write it here, 200. And child ticket price is of rupees 100. Okay. And what's the opening time? Opening time is 9 in the morning to sunset. What is the opening time? Okay. And the train time, what is the train time? Every half an hour a train comes. And where the snack bar is? Snack bar is behind the entrance. So you pause the video and revise this listening and you will complete this task. Okay ji. Dear student, our today's task after listening, that is speaking. Okay, after listening the task is speaking. The second task is tell a friend what you could write in a leaflet. Leaflet is actually a page or a page with pictures and describing the qualities of something, of some place. Okay? Leaflet about these two areas of Go Wild Safari Park. Write your own leaflet. You can make your own leaflet by pasting a picture and write the thing that what you can see and what you can do on that place. Okay, this is the two these are the two model are here. Firstly we will complete this. It is also, you will write your own ideas here. I just give you some of the ideas, you can use them as well as you will use your own ideas. First, as you see, there is a picture of insects house. Okay, here you can see many kinds of insects. As the name is, you will write here insects like flies and beetles or butterfly. Okay, you can write it here. In the butterfly garden, the dash are free. The butterflies are free to feed on flowers. Yes, free to feed on flowers or nectar. But be careful, one could land on your head or hair. So you will write it head or hair. Okay. as you see, the next picture is shown jungle giant. The place name is Jungle Giants. Here you can see elephants. Here you can see elephants. In the elephant swamp, you will find that elephants walking through muddy water. The elephant could walking through a muddy water. You can write it here, okay, or you can write anything else that is information of elephants. But be careful, one could squirt water at you, because as you see, they can squirt water at you. One could, I will write it for you, squirt water at you. Okay, beta, after completing this page, this is just a practice that how can we make a leaflet. Now open your workbook. Our composition is on workbook page number 33. Okay, plan a leaflet about the place. You could use these short starters. The words are given here. Okay, beta, what you have to do, you just draw or place a picture. You can paste a picture here of the place where you visited, and you will write, for example, you have visited Lahore Fort, or you have visited zoo, whatever the name of the place, you will write it here. And what you can see and do, you will write. For example, you can start from this sentence. Here you can go, or here you can see. Okay, and who built this? This was built in, if you know in which year it was built, you will write easily the year. Okay, and what type of it made of? It is made of dash. You will write that which material it is made of and what it is called. Okay, and what you can see and do. So in this way you will write it here. If you are writing about, for example, if you are writing about zoo or museum, okay, you can write here. We can see, here you can see different animals. You will paste also the picture of zoo here. Different animals, but be careful. They can harm you if you touch their cage. So in this way you will write that what you can see and what you have to do. Okay, be careful, be away from the animal's cage. And the next, you can place any other picture of a place that you have visited. Write the name. For example, I have written, it's just an example, you will write your own place name. Okay, for example, you will write museum. Here we can see that here you can see unique objects. If it's a museum of animals, you can see animals that are extinct now. Okay, and this is called a dash museum. You will write its famous name. Okay, or if you have visited some historical place, you will write about that. So beta, this is a very easy task. In this way you can easily make a leaflet up. You can do leaflet making. Do you know this is more important in English lesson? In English spoken lesson or in English work, the leaflet making is very interesting and very amazing work. So beta, all of you will do this. I am waiting of your work, and everyone do your own. Don't cheat from others.